Good afternoon. We're going to be flying soon from here, Pitt Meadows, to Kelowna, and we're waiting for Mikhail to get here in his Comanche, and we're going to be flying formation. There's a BCAC hangar hangout happening, so that's really what this is all about. But it's going to be a really fun flight, and I have Hoy with me.
What's up?
And he's going to be my co-pilot, so
Yeah.
stay tuned because it's going to be sick.
Proof of it, unfortunately, I'm looking at the satellite. It's not like really visible there, so it would probably be the better route to take going up that Highway 5.
There we go. Perfect. That should be good. Let's start it up. Clear!
Can you hear me? Oh. Radio check, check. Yeah. Are we loud and clear? I can hear you pretty loud. Nice. A little bit of throttle.
Pitt Meadows Information Foxtrot. Limited weather at 2005 Zulu. Wind 250. At 6. Tower visibility.
Got the 4 flight out.
Altimeter 29908, taxi via Foxtrot Delta, cross runway 18, Abernathy departure, squawk. It would be 3000.
I don't know.
Thanks so much.
Echo Kilo Uniform, altitude restriction cancelled, clear takeoff runway 26 right.
Echo Kilo Uniform, clear takeoff 26 right.
Blue Tower, turn right crosswind now.
Right, close back.
Alright.
Foxtrot Victor Bravo, Douglas departure, clear touch and go.
Alive, nose down.
Left.
Cleared touch and go, Foxtrot Victor Bravo.
Good Tower, Foxtrot Yankee India, downwind for stop and go.
Foxtrot Yankee India, number 2, runway 26 left, follow Cessna, short final.
Traffic inside, number 2, Foxtrot Yankee India.
We made it to 4,500 finally.
Just saying, though.
I see traffic, but they're like 3,000 feet lower than us, so it's still chill.
Wait.
1 o'clock.
Looking for traffic.
It's just a white speck across the map.
Oh, with the traffic. Might be a glider. I see a lot of gliders over here.
Yeah, Hope is the only place that does gliders.
Yeah.
Autopilot! Autopilot engaged. AP engaged. Where's my coffee?
Yeah, 12 miles over Hope.
Yeah.
constant focusing. Like, you have to land straight no matter what in this thing.
Oh yeah.
If you land sideways and skids, and it's not good. You can land kind of crabs in a tricycle gear.
Yep.
And it will straighten out because of where the center of gravity is.
Yeah, yeah.
But this thing,
Denver Fox X-ray, no delay, exiting at Bravo, contact ground there, 1217.
What's the circuit altitude?
2400.
24. Look for him.
Tower altimeter tuner 86, your number 2 flying SS is joining the right downwind.
Number 2 for runway 16, flash at 189.
And there's a Southwest plane.
Yeah.
EasyJet too. There's a lot of planes
Weird.
here.
Cal Tower, Echo Kilo uniform established on right downwind runway 16, full stop.
Echo Kilo uniform, tower wind 0805, your clear to land runway 16 shortened.
Clear land runway 16, short. There we go. Okay. That was rough. That was a tailwind too. It switched at the end.
We land Kelowna, safe and sound. We're here. Then we have some sick jets over there.
We made it.
I want to see Mikhail's plane come and land. So nice.
You good?
Just park the plane, bro. It's fine. No, I don't want to get fined, bro. I want to park it normally. Oh, that's hot.
We're adding 2 more gallons. No, we'll add more than that because it's cheap. For reserve. Oh, I need someone to flick it on. We'll flick it on. Flick the lever. They can't hear you. There should be a pump on. Yeah. Oh, this pump is sticky.
You know what else is sticky? We can give you something sticky.
2 cameras in my face. Come on. All right, he's recording me recording.
Guys, we're all recording. This is the back seat. This is my PA-24 Piper Comanche. I think it's cool.
What year is it?
It got the 4-cylinder engine instead of the 6-cylinder engine or the 8-cylinder engine.
Please pour.
But it's fast. What kind of prop does it have? It's a Hertzel prop. It's constant speed.
And check. We are good. Check. I can hear myself. Can you hear yourself?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Good. All right, guys, we're going flying with Mikhail. Here's that dork.
On the tower, hello, Express 548. With you on the Arna Victor, runway 16.
Airspin 548, Kelowna altimeter is 283, your number 1, runway 16.
Kelowna
ground. This is Cessna 140 Foxtrot Echo Kilo uniform on apron 3 looking to depart to flight to Pitt Meadows as filed.
Foxtrot Echo Kilo uniform, ground runway 16, wind 3504, altimeter is 283, taxi via Alpha, contact tower 1196, holding short. Foxtrot Lima Tango Echo, ground runway 16, wind 3505, altimeter is 283. Fall behind the Cessna, taxi via Alpha, contact tower 1196, holding short.
Contact tower 1196, holding short. Lima Tango Echo.
The bridge, wind 3505 from Alpha, clear takeoff runway 16, shortened.
Right turn takeout, and we'll exit north of the bridge. Echo Kilo uniform, clear takeoff runway 16. Thank you.
And Cone Tower, Foxtrot Lima Tango Echo, holding short, will be following that 140.
The Tango Echo tower at Alpha, line up runway 16.
Lining up runway 16, Lima Tango Echo.
Yeah, this air is so smooth.
Yep. Fokker wings for the people.
They're a bit farther down, I think. Here we go.
Woo. It's beautiful out here.
The Tango Echo tower, a right turnout, keep the Cessna in sight, wind 3605 from Alpha, clear takeoff runway 16, shortened.
Clear for takeoff, we'll keep the plane in sight, Lima Tango Echo.
Airstream 548 tower, wind 3605, clear to land, runway 16, shortened.
Oh wow, there's air sprint right behind us.
Plan, runway 16, short.
Colors are so nice in there.
540.
Yeah. So beautiful. Ooh. This is unreal. Straight out of a movie.
Yeah. Oh, the greasy fingerprints on the window.
Discretion. Discretion, thanks, Encore 356.
Hopefully we make it back by sunset.
Echo Kilo uniform, are you on 123.45?
Oh, affirmative.
Echo Kilo uniform, you are slow, dude.
Thank you. Echo Kilo uniform, Foxtrot Lima Tango. Let's fly down the Okanagan a bit. You look beautiful right now.
Sounds good, I'll be turning out then to the left. Follow me.
Alright.
My stall horn is low-key blazing right now with the fact that how slow I'm flying.
Get flaps down, man.
Damn, if you look down, every single house.
We are coming in behind you on your left side, Lima Tango Echo. Don't turn to the left.
Insight. Echo Kilo uniform.
I can't even see him though.
Get the
What's up, buddy?
You actually look amazing, Phil.
You look beautiful too, Giles. And pass your right.
Oh my god.
But, yeah.
Let me know when you see him.
Right there. Confirm. Sounds good. We will see you later. Good luck making it through.
Sounds good. Give me a call when you land. Lima Tango Echo, over and out.
As you can tell, the weather is turning pretty bad, and haze and fog are really forming quickly. So we are turning back to Kelowna now.
Yep.
You can't see all the way.
It's so
But-
dark.
Yeah, we're turning back because it would not be safe with the mountains.
For sure. The moon looks really nice though.
Yeah.
I mean, like right now I still feel really safe. Like this is like still bright out and like,
Yeah.
you can still see the highway and everything.
If I can see cars on the highway and like outlines, I'm good.
Yeah.